Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to continue our third question. What is that? Sixth and seventh questions. So we have to find the given series where in GP or not. After that, we have to find three more terms. So here, what is the sixth one? 3 minus 3 square and 3 cube minus 3 power 4. Maybe that series will be like that. So we have to check common ratio is there same or not. So first one. So let's going to take sixth one. A1 will be equal to 3 and A2 will be equal to minus 3 square and A3 will be equal to 3 cube. So this is the case. So common ratio. So let's going to calculate common ratio R. So R will be equal to A2 by A1. So what is A2 here? So minus 3 square by A1 is 3. So 3 square. 3 into 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So we will get it as minus 3. Then what is R again? A3 by A2. So A3 will be equal to 3 cube by minus 3 square. So 3 square into 3. Can you write like this or not? 3 square. So minus again 3 square will going to cancel. So minus 3 we got it. Now what you can say here is R is same. That is common ratio for all the terms in same. So the series in GP. Series in GP. Now we have to calculate three more terms. Now what is that? A4 will be equal to A3 into R. So A3 will be equal to 3 cube. R will be equal to what is that? Common ratio, that is minus 3. So minus 3 cube will be equal to. So what is that? 2 3 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3, so 21, 3 2s are 6, 81. So this is the case. Then what is A5? So A5 will be equal to A4 into R, that is minus 81 into R will be equal to minus 3. So minus will going to cancel, plus 3 ones are 3, 243. So this is the case. Then what is A6? A5 into R. So 243 into R minus 3. So 3 3s are 9. Minus will be as it is. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1 will be there. 3 2s are 6. 7 29. So therefore the series will be 3 minus 3 square. 3 cube minus 3 power 4. 3 power 5 minus 3 power 6. Therefore 3 minus 9 plus 27 minus 81 243 minus 729 and so on. So these are the terms. Now we are going to check what is the seventh one. So seventh one will be equal to A will be equal to A1 x, then A2 will be equal to 1, then A3 will be equal to 1 by x. So now we have to check what is the common ratio. Common ratio is same or not. So R will be equal to A2 by A1. So A2 will be equal to what? 1. A1 will be x. Then A3 by A2, sorry. So 1 by x whole divided by 1 by 1. So 1 you can write 1 by 1. Don't get confused. 1 you can write 1 by 1. So 1 by 1, 1 by x into 1 by 1. That is 1 by x. Therefore R is same. R is same. So series in GP. Series in geometric progression. The given series in geometric progression. Now what you can say here is, so A4 will be equal to A3 into R. So A3 will be equal to what? 1 by x. R will be equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by x square. So that is the fourth term. Then what is the fifth term? A4 into R. So A4 will be equal to 1 by x square. R will be equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by x cube. Then what is A6? A5 into R. So A5 will be equal to 1 by x cube. R will be equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by x power 4. So therefore the given series x 1 1 by x, 1 by x square, 1 by x cube, then 1 by x power 4 and so on. So we will get the series like that. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.